morning. This week you're going to be doing a virtual microscope lab. So obviously we aren't meeting in person, so we can't, play with the microscopes in a hands-on situation. So we're going to use an online simulation to help you get acquainted with the parts of the microscope and some of the ways in which the microscope functions. So when you pull up this document here, you're going to hear your objectives to understand the parts of the cell theory, to understand the parts of the microscope, and to kind of explain how the microscope was invented. And how it led to the development of the cell theory. There's a TED Talk here to watch. It's not very long, but it kind of goes through the parts of the cell theory and the different scientists who played a role in developing it, so you can answer those questions. And then you're going to go to this microscope tutorial. If you watch this video that talks about the care and the use of the microscope, and then you're going to click on this link in order to get you to the simulation. Once you get to the simulation here, you're going to pull that up, click on the reference, and you're going to go through all of the different references, the reference information. And as you're going through that reference information, then you're going to follow along with your worksheet and fill in the different answers as you go through. Okay? When you're finished, you can submit them, and you can either email them or submit them on Blackboard, however you'd like to do it. So if you have questions along the way, please don't hesitate to ask. Have a great week.